Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to go from a simple half up half down to a low messy bun hairstyle in just a few minutes. So I've started just by loosely curling the hair, and I'm just going to gather up the crown section of hair and tie it with a clear elastic band. Next I'm going to add some texture spray to that section. I'll pop the one I'm using below and then gently pinch and pull for a little bit more texture. Then we're going to divide all of the hair from the ears forward, leaving a little bit out to frame the face, and then just clip that side off for now and repeat on the opposite side. Bring these two sections to the back of the head, and all we're going to do is tie them in a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. So just pull it through. Hold it to the head and just slip a bobby pin through either side of that knot to keep it secure. Now with the tail ends of that knot, we're just going to create one more knot using the same steps. So just like you're tying your shoelaces, pull it through, hold it to the head, and then just pin it with a couple more bobby pins. Apply some more texture spray to that knot and then gently pinch and pull to create more volume. And that's the first part of this hairstyle complete. So you've got a really pretty but simple half up half down hairstyle. So now we're going to move on to the updo section. So we're going to leave the hair as it is, and then all we're going to do is split the remaining hair hanging down in half. And I'm going to work on the left hand side first, and all I'm going to do is take that entire section and twist it towards the head. Then I'm going to bring it up and around, so we're going to create a little bun shape. So we're just going to lay it underneath those knots, and again secure with a few bobby pins. Then we're going to bring the tail ends back round and underneath, so you create a little sort of circle bun, and then again secure it with a few more bobby pins. Now taking that right hand section, again we're going to twist it towards the head, and we're going to bring it up and over that little bun we've just made, securing with bobby pins as we go. Now we're going to keep twisting and bring it back over to the right hand side, and then up and over the top of the bun. And we're simply going to pin all around the outside with some more bobby pins to keep it nice and secure. Apply some more texture spray all over that bun, and then really pinch and pull to give it some more messy volume. And it really is that simple. Here's the second look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.